What is Tranq dope? Some professionals describe its users as the walking dead, a drug that causes horrific injuries in its users. Tranq dope is a street name for a combination of opioids and xylazine, a banned animal tranquilizer. First showing up in Puerto Rico in the turn of the century, xylazine-tainted opioids have now become increasingly common in drug markets from Philadelphia to San Francisco. What is xylazine? Xylazine was first developed in the 1960s to treat hypertension. Later, it was used as a sedative for dogs, horses, and other large mammals. It's worth pointing out that while xylazine has similar effects to opioids, it's not an opioid itself. Why is Tranq dope so harmful? It's not clearly understood why Tranq dope seems to cause severe injuries in its users. Many people who inject xylazine rapidly develop large abscesses, skin injuries caused by infections. Xylazine isn't intended for human consumption, and very little studies have been done on whether it's xylazine itself or potential interactions with other drugs that is causing so many injuries. Finally, there's another danger of Tranq dope. Since xylazine isn't an opioid, there's currently no way to reverse a xylazine overdose. What does xylazine have in common with fentanyl? Xylazine isn't an opioid like fentanyl. However, Tranq dope seems to be following a lot of the same patterns that fentanyl did in how it shows up in drug stashes. If nothing else, Tranq dope is another reason why getting treated for opioid addiction is so important. It's another potential fatal risk of opioid use. At the Edge Treatment Center, I've seen so many people beat opioid addiction. Our evidence-based treatment methods help people build lives truly worth living. Don't risk Tranq dope or the other dangers of opioid abuse. Reach out to the Edge Treatment Center today to learn more about our successful opioid treatment program.